Not everyone has access to clean water. So right now we are inside a stream, as you can see, inside a stream. So I'm going to show you how people hustle to get water in this area. So this area is mountainous, so most of the trucks cannot access this area. So getting water here is a real hustle. So I'm going to show you how people hustle to get water in this area. So this is how they get water. This is how people get their water. They dig down, like let me show you guys. Okay, they dig every morning. They have to dig. So this is how people get water. So this is the process of getting water. So the water is very clean. Tagra beredu. So he's going to use it for bathing. Yala sarabo? Okay, they don't drink it. Yeah. So you see. Mm. So this is the hustle people go through to get water. Water is very expensive. Yeah. So I'm going to help the kid fetch water because now as you can see the water is going to, it's now reducing. So you may not end up filling this. You are going to wait for some hours to fill this 5 liter. So it's going to take time. So it's really a struggle. Sometimes the water is not clean. Yeah, it has smell, but there's nothing they can do. So this is a 5 liter we are trying to fill. So if you want clean water, the best time to fetch water is in the morning. That's when you can get clean water, because now right now it's not very clean. So in chemistry there's a process of separating dirty water. How do you call that process? I can't recall. There's a process. So this is the process they're trying to use. Okay. So tell us where you're watching from. Tell us, is this how you fetch water in your country? So what are the struggles you also go through to get water in your country? So this is the struggle we go through. So our water is getting done. Our underground water is getting done. We have more jerrycans to fill. We have another 5 liter over there. Got that. So we are able to fill a 5 liter. Now the next thing he's going to do is going to boil, because this water is not clean. So the only thing is to boil to avoid diseases and other germs. So he's going to boil this water. So he's taking his water home. So this is the hustle they go through. So this is another water point. We're waiting for it to get full. So we are going to fetch. We have a 20 liter jerrycan. We are going to also add over there. So as you can see, guys, it's really a hassle. The water is not very clean, very dirty, very contaminated. Yeah. So this is how people struggle. Ya Allah.
Não muftari.
Yana gisi mutare muftari.
Bubaka ginda ma.
Mata gan ma mata.
Ati mal.
Wala kirista sakit ma.
As anda mala bisil kamsa.
Desu.
Nadar mala. Anda bitil mala bakata gere kulu bisil kamsa.
Digo ni da bila sai kan tasu. Ana ma fahimta ka kasu. Jual, kita makan. Kita makan.